Ooh, do you want to eat one of these?
I like these ones better.
That's beautiful. It's probably ginkgo flavored.
You know what I'm looking for subconsciously though? Those mochis that we had in California. Remember?
Oh yeah. Well, that's hard to beat.
You can keep going though. I didn't mean to go in here.
I mean, you know, like I said, this is what we're doing until we get to the palace. It's just stopping by every single store that you see. Just like touching stuff when I don't know what it is. Ooh, that looks like an egg. Because it is. Okay. That's, for a minute I was like, whoa, that mochi looks like an egg. But it's just an egg. That's what it represents, is itself. Simple and beautiful. Well, this one's rather interesting. Their style of carving. Everyone looks like a little bored, a little dead, a little sleepy. Actually, not kind of. I don't know, this carving style, I don't think I've really seen it in Japan. It's just whoever this artist was that made it just like to do things a little bit different. It's very smooth features. So what do you do with that? Just enjoy it. Maybe you're supposed to pour it on yourself for good luck. Not on me, I have a lot of good luck. Maybe you're supposed to drink it. Maybe it's like, what if it's a natural fountain? Just drink it. Okay, fine. Yep, inside this temple is some temple stuff, but I can't show it to you because it's really dark. But trust me, it's temple-y in there. You can get charcoal. Bamboo charcoal. What do you do with it? What if you use it for like painting? I don't see any brushes though. Oh wow, look at this place. You can get medicinal stuff here. Basically. The geckos. Ginkgo, snakes, cobras. Ooh, that's a sun bear. Komodo dragon. Sea turtles, just like a taxidermy place. We got a monkey back there. And there's the raccoon with the big balls. So that's a legit rhino horn. And that's danger too. That lady up there, she's selling like a bunch of illegal animal parts, like tiger, rhino horn. What was that endangered one that's a Pokemon? It's got like the scales and it's like it's got a long tail. Just walk in there and just look through the window on the left. You'll see tiger skins, rhino horn right on the front right area. Yeah. It's for like Eastern medicine, I believe. So that one's a Komodo dragon, pangolin, rhino horn, a bunch of sea turtles. Yeah. Go over there. That's where the you see that right there. See the tiger? Yeah. What else you got? Yeah. I just want to eat the whole thing. That'd be great. On rice? That's all I need. That's fast. Very fast. They're basically done.
Those must be udon noodles.
You think so?
Yeah. Because I would think it's either soba or udon, but udon has a different color.
It'll be very satisfying when he cuts them. Well, I guess this just says rack. Oh, that's like a samurai sword rack. But his swords are rolling pins. I wonder if he cuts them. I don't see a knife. Maybe he cuts them somewhere else. Gotta get just the right thickness.
It's thin for udon. Maybe it is soba.
Oh, there just comes the. No, I thought it was gonna be a knife.
Oh, it looks. It might be time.
Is he gonna do it? I think
He's
so.
holding it.
I mean,
It's
that
pretty
makes
thin
sense.
already. Or maybe not yet. Maybe he's still thinning it out.
No, because that won't really. Maybe. Is he gonna? Won't that like crush the layers together if he rolls it over?
I don't know.
It looks like fabric.
It looks like I want to like use it as a blankie.
Just roll yourself up in some udon.
Oh, he's saving it.
Another time. He's just making them and probably cutting them in bulk. This is a chopstick specific store. Every chopstick you could ever imagine, they've got it.
You don't like these chopsticks though.
I don't?
Yeah.
Oh, they're the hard. Maybe they got some beginner chopsticks. I like the Korean chopsticks the best. Oh yeah, that's super hard to use. Oh, that thin. This guy's got some grip on it though. Almost. Yeah, I think my favorite chopsticks I ever got was those Korean ones that had the little notches, but this has got some angles. I enjoy these ones, I'm sure. I enjoy not dropping the food. These are all cool. They're little chopstick rests, so you can put your little chopsticks on there. You got like a million different ones. I like that. Magikarp. Not quite, but you know, pretty close. Oh, that's seriously involved. It's one heck of a chopstick rest. What else we got? Yeah, a sea otter. I got a traditional kimono fabric place, and also they make kimonos. You can get fabric too. Flip flops. Oh, that's cool. I don't really need it, but there's some nice, my size almost. They're large. What's the sizes they come in? They don't have 12, they got 11. Yeah, I think he's just cleaning off for, actually he's grinding his own grindstone so that he could sharpen the knives even better. That's interesting.